In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become GoDaddy affiliate partner. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to get your application submitted smoothly. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website. Once you're on the home page, sign into your GoDaddy account. If you already have one, use your usual login. If not, create an account first so you can proceed without interruptions. Being signed in helps keep your information consistent during the application. After you're logged in, scroll down the GoDaddy homepage. Look for the section labeled Partner Programs. In that area, click on Affiliates. This takes you to GoDaddy's affiliate information page, where you'll see program highlights and a Join Now button. Go ahead and click Join Now. You'll be redirected to the application process managed through CJ, the affiliate network that powers GoDaddy's partner program. On the CJ page, click Apply Now to begin the sign-up. This is normal. Many large brands use trusted affiliate networks to handle tracking, payouts, and approvals. Next, choose your preferred language so the interface and future communications are easier to follow. Select your country as well. Make sure the country matches where your business or primary operations are based, because it can affect payment options and tax details later in your account setup. Enter your email address. It's best to use a business email you check regularly, since approval notices and account alerts will come here. Create a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and then confirm it by typing it again to avoid typos. Take a moment to complete the I'm not a robot verification. If a quick image challenge appears, finish that so the form can be submitted. When everything looks correct, click Submit. That's your application sent. From here, you may be redirected to additional profile questions in CJ or receive an email to confirm your address. Approval timelines can vary, so keep an eye on your inbox and your spam folder just in case. Once approved, you'll gain access to affiliate links, tracking tools, and reporting within CJ. Those links are what you'll use on your website, social channels, or campaigns to earn commissions for qualified referrals. That's the full process from the GoDaddy homepage to submitting your affiliate application through CJ. Rewind and pause as needed while you follow along, and keep your account details consistent to speed up review. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your GoDaddy affiliate journey.